Chapter 4. More on Paint 3D. Learning targets. Work with 3D shapes, adding stickers, using 3D library, adding 3D text. Paint 3D is a special program for drawing and creating pictures. It is a newer and improved version of MS Paint. You can find Paint 3D in Windows 10. Paint 3D is an inbuilt drawing program in Windows 10. In the previous grade, you have learned the basics of Paint 3D and how to draw 2D flat and 3D shapes in it. A 2D two-dimensional shape has only two measurements, length and width, whereas a 3D three-dimensional shape has three measurements, length, width and height, depth. Starting Paint 3D. To start Paint 3D, 1. Click on the Start button. 2. Scroll down to find Paint 3D and click on it. The Paint 3D window opens as shown in figure 4.1. Working with 3D shapes. In Paint 3D window, click on the 3D shapes option. On the right pane appears a pane displaying different 3D shapes and tools as shown in figure 4.2. These shapes and tools are categorized in three types: 3D doodle, 3D objects and 3D models. Let us learn about each type one by one. 3D objects. To insert a 3D object, follow these steps. 1. In the 3D objects section, choose the shape you want, figure 4.3a. 2. Select a color for the shape in the color palette. 3. Move the mouse pointer to the canvas. Hold down the left mouse button and drag to draw the selected 3D shape. 4. Release the mouse button once the shape is drawn. Observe a bounding box appears around the shape figure 4.3b. It has options that enable the users to resize and rotate the object. Rotate, it lets you rotate the shape. Grab points. These are present at the edge of the border of the shape. These are used to realize the shape. 3D doodle. The 3D doodle tool lets you draw freehand drawing. To draw a 3D doodle, follow these steps. 1. In the 3D shapes pane, there are three options under the 3D doodle section, figure 4.4. Select the tool you want. 2. Bring the pointer onto the canvas. Press and hold the left mouse button, then drag to draw your doodle. 3. When you are finished drawing, release the mouse. You can now resize and rotate the doodle just like any other 3D object. Sharp edge. It creates a closed shape with depth. Tube brush. It can draw any type of shape. The shape can be changed to another object. Soft edge. It creates a closed shape. It inflates a flat doodle and makes it appear puffy. Shape drawn using sharp edge doodle. Shape drawn using tube brush doodle. Shape drawn using soft edge doodle. 3D models. Paint 3D offers 5 different 3D model tools. Let us learn how to create a 3D model in Paint 3D. To insert a 3D model, follow these steps. 1. In the 3D shapes pane, select any model in the 3D models section. 2. Select the material and color for your 3D model, figure 4.6. 3. Move the mouse pointer to the drawing area. Press and hold the left mouse button, then drag the mouse to place the model. When the 3D model is placed, release the mouse button. You can now resize and rotate the model. Using 3D library. You can add different types of ready-made 3D objects to your drawing using the 3D library feature. Note: your computer must be connected to the internet to use this feature. To add objects from the 3D library, follow these steps. 1. In the Tools category area, click on the 3D library option. A gallery of 3D models appears on the right side, showing various categories, figure 4.7. 2. Select a category you like. For example, select bugs. 3. Pick a 3D model from the selected category. Click on it to insert it in the drawing area. 4. Rotate and resize the added 3D model as needed. Tech tips. You can also open the 3D library from the 3D Shapes pane. Adding stickers. In Paint 3D, the stickers option lets you add different stickers to your drawing. To add stickers, follow these steps. 1. On the toolbar, click on the Stickers button. The Stickers panel appears on the right side, figure 4.8a. 2. Make sure the Stickers tab is selected to see the available stickers. 3. Choose a sticker you like. 4. Drag the mouse to place the sticker on the canvas, figure 4.8b. 5. After adding the sticker, release the mouse. You can now resize, rotate and make a copy of the sticker using the stamp tool present on the bounding box, figure 4.8b. Click on the commit button to apply your changes. Let us create a drawing using the stickers tool. 1. First, click on the 3D Shapes button. 2. On the 3D Shapes panel, select the dog model in the 3D Models section. 3. Place the dog model on the canvas. Adjust its size and rotate it so it faces the front, figure 4.9a. 4. Click on the Stickers button on the toolbar. The Stickers panel opens. 5. Select the dog nose sticker. Drag the mouse to place the sticker where you want it on the dog model. Figure 4.9b. Adjust the sticker size as needed. 6. Likewise, add the owl eye sticker to the model. Figure 4.9b. Use the stamp tool to create the second eye for the dog. Notice, Paint 3D automatically adjusts the shape of the eyes to fit the model. 7. To add fur to the dog model, first click on the Textures Sticker tab and choose the Fur Texture option, figure 4.9c. Next, drag the mouse to add fur where you want it. If you need more fur, drag again. When you are done, click the Commit button to save your work. Adding 3D text. You can add 3D text in your drawing using the Text tool. To add 3D text, follow these steps. 1. Click on the Text tool on the toolbar. 2. On the right pane, click on the 3D Text tool. 3. Select the desired font, font size, font color, style and alignment. 4. Bring the pointer onto the canvas and click. A text box with a blinking cursor appears. 5. Type the text. When you are finished, click outside the text box, figure 4.10a. 6. Use the rotation handles Z-axis, X-axis and Y-axis to give a 3D look to the text, figure 4.10b. 7. To change the text color, use the Edit Color option. 8. To delete the 3D text, first select it using the Select tool. 9. Click either on the delete icon in the 3D selection panel or press the delete key on the keyboard. Wrap up. Paint 3D is a drawing and graphics software. It is an advanced version of MS Paint. The 3D Doodle tool lets you draw freehand drawing. The 3D library feature allows you to add various types of ready-made 3D objects to your drawing. The stickers option provides a variety of stickers that you can add to your drawing. The text tool lets you add 3D text to your drawing.